In this video, I'm going to demonstrate cutting your pattern and preparing to mark the fabric. So all the pieces you need to build your cat hat are on this page. We've got the ears, provided both left and right ear, both in cat and bear, and the hood with the lining encased and the hugs extending here. Cut lines are these outer thick lines. You can see the stitch line echoed underneath with a 1-inch seam allowance. So the seam allowance is flexible. If you have more sewing experience or you've worked with fur before, feel free to shorten that by half if you wish. I have fold lines indicated by broken lines, both hugs, where the fold will go over the hug over the front of the hood, fold line at the center back, and fold line at the neck for the bottom of the hood. So that's gonna fold up. I also put little circles here to warn you, do not extend cutting lines here. You can also see on all the pieces I have fur direction laid out. So the arrows are down. We want all the fur to be going this direction. Same with the ears, fur direction. Let's get cutting.